Welcome to the Juki lock stitch overview video for the electronic textiles and 3D printing makerspace. We'll start by making sure that our thread passes through one of the eyes on the thread post. We will then pass the thread back to front through the top eye, and then we will wrap the thread around back to front through the bottom eye on the thread guide. We will then pass the thread through the tension discs from the right side wrapping to the left. We will then pass the thread right to left through the thread guide. Next, we'll take our thread and pass it through the bobbin, inside to out, and then place it on our post. We will then turn the machine on and wait for the screen to load. Next, we will lift the presser foot into the up position and press the bobbin lever inward. We can press on the pedal and begin winding the bobbin. When the bobbin's full, the lever will push out and stop the machine. Here we have the home screen. There's many ways you can adjust your machine. We'll start with this button, which is the stitch length button. If we press it, this screen should pop up. From here, we can plus or minus to get a different stitch length. Once we have the stitch length we want, we can press the back button, and then on the home screen, you can see it reflects the change in the lower left corner. The next button is the backstitch buttons. This one controls the beginning backstitch, and this one controls the ending backstitch. These can be used together or separately as needed. This lever here allows you to reverse or sew backwards manually. It operates by holding down the lever manually while you're actively sewing. When you're done sewing, please make sure to turn the machine off. Now to thread the machine, follow these steps. We will first pass through the post eye on the top of the machine. Next, we will go back to front through the upper thread guide. We will then pass the thread right to left through the tension discs, making sure to go over the tension post. We will then go front to back through the lower thread guide. Next, we will go down from the right side around to the left through the lower set of tension discs, making sure to wrap the thread over the small wire arm. We will then pull the thread under the large metal arm and then navigate upwards behind the next thread guide. We will then pass the thread right to left through the eye on the tension arm. From there, we will go down to the next thread guide, then behind the guide plate. We will then pull the thread behind the arm from the right side, then front to back through the top eye above the needle. We will then pull the thread through the eye of the needle from the left to the right. We will then pull the thread between the toes of the presser foot. Welcome to the Juki Serger overview video for the electronic textiles and 3D printing makerspace. There are 3 things you need to know: the on switch, the pedals, and how to line up your fabric. To start, turn the machine on. The right pedal controls the presser foot. When you press down, the presser foot will raise. The left pedal runs the machine. When placing your fabric, make sure to line it up with the outer right side of the presser foot. When you're done serging, please make sure to turn the machine off. Here we have the on and off switch. Right now, the iron is off. And there it is on. The light only turns on while the iron is heating up. Always make sure the iron is setting face down on the rubber mat when not being used. This is the steam button. When you click it, the iron will release steam. When you're finished using the iron, make sure you turn it off.